Hello everyone, today I want to show you this eyelash and brow tint kit. It's a great way easily and quickly to enhance your look. I like that the kit includes everything you need.
In this box you will find instruction, tinting cream, developer lotion, different applicator and brushes, mixing bowl, silicone patches, protective skin cream, cleansing wipe. Every detail is thoughtfully included, making it easy to use at home without professional help. Also, you can invite a friend and color each other's brows and lashes together. So I really like this kit and I highly recommend it.